These are epiphytes.
This is Vanda orchid, and the species of Vanda have been traditionally used for various medicinal purposes. The roots of Vanda are considered elixiric, counteracting poisons, and antipyretic, reducing fever. They have been used in treating dyspepsia, bronchitis, inflammations, piles, and hiccups. Externally, the root is applied for rheumatism, nervous system disorders, secondary syphilis, and scorpion stings.